Are you tired of yo-yo dieting? Do you feel like you've tried everything to lose weight but nothing seems to stick? Well, I have good news for you. There's a way to shed those extra pounds and keep them off for good. It's called the ketogenic diet, or keto for short, and it's changing the way people think about weight loss. The keto diet isn't your typical fad diet. It's a scientifically proven approach to eating that shifts your body into a fat-burning machine. Instead of relying on carbohydrates for energy, keto teaches your body to burn fat for fuel. By drastically reducing your carbohydrate intake and replacing it with healthy fats, you force your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. So, if you're ready to ditch the diet roller coaster and embark on a sustainable path to weight loss, keto might be just what you're looking for. Let's face it, fat has gotten a bad rap over the years. We've been told to avoid it like the plague, but the truth is, not all fats are created equal. In fact, healthy fats are essential for optimal health and weight management. On the keto diet, fat is your friend, not your foe. When you switch to a ketogenic diet, your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for fuel. This metabolic shift not only helps you lose weight, but also offers a range of other health benefits, including improved mental clarity, reduced inflammation, and better blood sugar control. So embrace the fat. Load up on healthy fats like avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds. One of the best things about the keto diet is that it's not about deprivation. You don't have to starve yourself or live on boring, tasteless food. In fact, there's a wide variety of delicious and satisfying foods you can enjoy on a daily basis. Let's start with protein. On keto, you'll want to include plenty of protein sources like meat, poultry, fish, and eggs. Don't be afraid to get creative with your cooking. Experiment with different herbs, spices, and marinades to add flavor and variety to your meals. Next up, healthy fats. Make sure to include plenty of healthy fats in your diet, such as avocados, olive oil, coconut oil, nuts, and seeds. And finally, don't forget about non-starchy vegetables. Some of our favorites include broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, kale, and Brussels sprouts. Now that you know what to eat on keto, let's talk about what to avoid. These dietary villains are loaded with carbohydrates and will quickly kick you out of ketosis, sabotaging your weight loss efforts. First and foremost, say goodbye to sugar. This includes sugary drinks like soda and juice, as well as processed foods that are often laden with hidden sugars. Sugar is highly addictive and provides no nutritional value. Next on the chopping block are refined grains. This includes bread, pasta, rice, and cereals made from white flour. These foods are quickly broken down into glucose, causing your blood sugar levels to spike. And finally, be wary of starchy vegetables. While some vegetables are perfectly fine on keto, others like potatoes, corn, and peas are higher in carbohydrates and should be consumed in moderation. Keto meal planning made easy, no more excuses. Meal planning is your secret weapon for keto success. It's the key to staying on track, avoiding temptations, and ensuring you're getting all the nutrients your body needs. But don't worry, it doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Here are a few tips to make keto meal planning a breeze. First things first, stock your kitchen with keto-friendly staples. This includes healthy fats, protein sources, low-carb vegetables, nuts, seeds, and spices. Next, plan your meals in advance. Take some time each week to decide what you'll be eating for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Experiment with different flavors and cuisines to find what you enjoy most. A sample keto meal plan. Your first 3 days. Ready to dive into the world of keto? Here's a sample meal plan to get you started. This plan is just a suggestion. Feel free to adjust it to your liking and dietary needs. Day 1. Breakfast. Scrambled eggs with spinach and avocado. Lunch, salmon salad with mixed greens, cucumber, and olive oil dressing. Dinner, steak with roasted Brussels sprouts and cauliflower mash. Day 2. Breakfast. Keto smoothie with almond milk, spinach, protein powder, and berries. Lunch, chicken breast with broccoli and cheese. Dinner, ground beef stir-fry with zucchini noodles and peanut sauce. Day 3. Breakfast, bacon and eggs with a side of avocado. Keto flu got you down? Don't worry, we've got you covered. As your body transitions into ketosis, you may experience some temporary side effects known as the keto flu. These flu-like symptoms are a sign that your body is adapting to its new fuel source and are usually nothing to worry about. Common symptoms of the keto flu include headaches, fatigue, muscle cramps, and nausea. The good news is that there are several things you can do to minimize the keto flu and make the transition smoother. First and foremost, make sure you're drinking plenty of water and electrolytes. Another helpful tip is to increase your salt intake. Salt helps your body retain water and can help alleviate headaches and fatigue. And finally, make sure you're getting enough rest. Real people, real results. Keto success stories. One of the most inspiring things about the keto diet is hearing about the incredible transformations people have experienced. From dramatic weight loss to improved health markers, these success stories are a testament to the power of keto. Take, for example, Sarah, a 35-year-old mother of two who had struggled with her weight for years. After trying countless diets and exercise programs without success, she stumbled upon the keto diet and decided to give it a try. Within a few months, Sarah had lost over 50 pounds and was feeling better than ever. She had more energy, her skin was clearer, and she finally felt confident in her own skin. Then there's John, a 42-year-old man who had been diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. John decided to adopt a ketogenic diet, and within 6 months he had reversed his diabetes. These are just a few examples of the countless success stories out there. Top keto tips for beginners. You've got this. Starting a new diet can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Here are a few top tips to help you succeed on your keto journey. 1. Start slowly. You don't have to go full keto overnight. Gradually reduce your carbohydrate intake over a few days or weeks to give your body time to adjust. 2. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated is crucial on keto, especially during the initial stages. 3. Don't be afraid of fat. Embrace healthy fats. They're your friend on keto and will help keep you full and satisfied. 4. Listen to your body. If you're feeling hungry, eat. Don't restrict calories too drastically, especially in the beginning. 5. Be patient. It takes time to see results. Keto Resources, your guide to success. Embarking on your keto adventure is exciting. You're about to discover a whole new world of healthy and delicious eating. To make your journey smoother, I've gathered some valuable resources. Websites and blogs. Explore sites like Diet Doctor and Keto. Connect for recipe inspiration, beginner's guides, and scientific explanations of keto. Cookbooks. Head to your local bookstore or browse online for keto-friendly cookbooks. Apps. Download helpful apps like Carb Manager or MyFitnessPal to track your macros. Discover new recipes and connect with the keto community. Support groups. Join online forums or social media groups dedicated to keto. Are you ready to unleash your inner fat burner? So there you have it. The ketogenic diet is a powerful tool for weight loss and overall health. By shifting your body's primary fuel source from carbohydrates to fat, you can unlock a world of benefits, including increased energy levels, improved mental clarity, and of course, sustainable weight loss. Embrace the journey, be patient with yourself, and celebrate your successes along the way. Are you ready to embark on this exciting journey towards a healthier, happier you? The power is in your hands. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and inspiration.